the classic Woodpecker cartoon remains a cherished gem of animation history. Known for its infectious laugh and larger-than-life antics, the mischievous bird captured hearts worldwide. With clever humor, slapstick gags, and a knack for outsmarting foes, each episode brought joy to audiences of all ages. Its bold animation style and memorable personality defined an era of Saturday morning hilarity. Decades later, this feathered prankster continues to remind us why laughter is timeless, a true classic in every sense.